Hello, my name is Tony Huddleston. This is my anatomy of eye video for my fall 2019 class. Okay, we're going to talk about the anatomy of the eye in all 18 parts. The eye that I'm going to talk about is divided into two parts, the anterior section and the posterior section. In the anterior section, we're going to look at the cornea first. Cornea is right here. The cornea is the front transparent part of the eye. It's an outer protective layer, and it provides the focal strength for the eye. Then we're going to go from there. Let me try to get to here to the conjunctiva, and this is a clear membrane, and it covers the eye. Covers the sclera. And there's another one right here. It covers the sclera, and it also lines the inner portion of the eyelid. The iris is next. The iris is what gives us the eye color, whether it's blue, green, brown, or hazel. And the iris controls the amount of light that enters the eye by enlarging or minimizing the size of the pupil. So here's the pupil, and while we're there, it's a round hole that is in the center of the iris and this is where the light passes through. So depending on how much light is passing through depends on the size of the iris, if it is larger or smaller. It also is not something that we're able to touch. Now we go to the aqueous humor, which is this, and this is a liquid fluid in the anterior chamber of the eye, and it provides some of the nutrition for the eye. Now when the aqueous humor goes through the anterior canal, flows through the tubular network, it goes through the canal of Salem, which is right here, and this is where it is delivered the aqueous to the various system of the body. So then we go from the canal Salem. Let's go to the lens. Here's the lens. The lens is at the back. It focuses the light that changes by changing its curvature. So as it's focusing on something very near, it gets larger, farther. The lens gets farther as it focuses nearer. This is also the part of the eye where cataracts tend to develop. And then let's go to, let me see, this canary body right here. This is where we're going to go. This controls focus of the eye by causing the lens to change shapes. Then we're going to go from here to the suspensionary ligament, okay, right here, and right there. And this is a long, thin fiber that connects the lens to the ring of the coronary body, the muscle. So this ligament is what connects this lens, top and bottom, to the coronary muscle, to the coronary body. Okay? Now let's see. That lens. Okay, now let's talk about the posterior of the eye, which is going to be this back part of the eye. And this is our ventris part here. And this is very interesting. This is a clear jelly-like fluid. And it fills this whole part of the eye right here. Okay, and it's behind the eye of the lens. Okay, so we have this, and it's jelly like, but as you get older, it thins out to more of a liquidy substance. Then let's go to this optic nerve. This optic nerve is a bundle of fiber. This is what carries what the picture the retina sees. This is where it goes to go to your brain. Okay, and then we have the optic disc right here. This is the blind spot. Okay, the optic disc is the head of the optic nerves. And this is where a lot of cell axons exit the eyes. There's no photosynthesis in this optic disc. So it's really just a blind spot of the eye. Then we go to the macula, which is right here. This black line. And this macula is a small thinned out area of the retina. And it is mostly cones that are in this area. So it provides very high visual acuity. Okay, let's go to this fovea centris. And this is this little dot right here. And this is the central portion of the macula. It has the highest concentration of cones and is only at the fovea where we have the 20/20 vision. Okay, so we go to the, let's see, where do we need to go? Scala. Let's see, retina. Let's go to the retina. This is the retina. The retina is inner lining of the back chamber of the eye. It contains the photoreceptors. It contains the wards and the cones that receive the light rays of the inner eye. They also convert these light rays into what we see. This is like where we get the pictures developed, the black room, red room, wherever you go to get pictures developed. This is the retina area. Then we go to the choroid. It's a layer between the retina and sclera. So it's right here is this. And this is a layer, it consists primarily of the blood vessels, which provides the nutrients to the retina. Then here's the sclera. This is a tough white fibrous ioprotective layer of the eye. And as you can see, it goes almost all the way around. Okay, that is the anatomy of the eye. Thank you so much. Oh, I forgot one thing. This ora cetria. Okay, this is the area of the inner eye. Okay, and this is where the retina ends and the choroid layer of the eye can be seen. Okay, so the retina ends here. Okay, now that's the eye video. Thank you so much.